guys, welcome to the Victaulic Engineering Lab. Before we get started, are there any questions?
Yeah, just one. What's so cool about manufacturing?
Well, how about I show you guys? This is our 3D printer. We use it to make 3D printed patterns for our foundry, and they use those patterns to make parts for our machinists.
Wow, this thing is like magic.
They can print anything that you want.
Hi Chris, we're working with 3D printing and we sent the pattern to the foundry. Here's your casting.
Nice. I just talked to the engineer and they want to do some modifications to this. Hey Dave, Emma got these castings from the foundry, but the engineer's not happy with the way the gasket fits in the gasket pocket. Okay. I think you can mill a little out of there for me? Sure. Okay, well I got the program loaded here if you want to get started.
Sure.
We're all done. You can take this over to Clay for testing.
Okay.
We'll utilize that pipe and install a Victaulic quick Vic coupling onto the pipe. In order to do that, you can see the reason it's a quick Vic is I just place it on to the piece of pipe, I bring the other piece of pipe in, and then tighten it down. We're good to go.
Wait, that's how you test it? That looks like fun.
You did ask what's so cool about manufacturing, right?
Start the countdown! 3, 2, 1!
So you see, this coupling is a lot stronger than the plastic pipe, so it just cracks right apart. Yep. Hey guys, where'd Logan go?
Can we lift that coupling?
This test, we test the large diameter.
We had a lot of fun hanging out at Victaulic and learning about all the cool job opportunities in manufacturing. Victaulic's engineers showed us how their couplings are manufactured to be superior to other joining methods through testing. Katie explained how engineers at Victaulic solve customers' challenges through testing and perfecting parts in the lab. Then, they are brought to life through manufacturing.